Hey guys, Dr. Chad here. I wanted to let you know that our next weight loss meeting is coming up on Wednesday, November 28th at 7 p.m. And it's coming up quickly. This is a very exciting time in our office. We have patients dropping weight like it's a bad habit. People are losing a pound a day with this new program that we've started, and I have to say that they're pretty ecstatic. With this new system, we hit weight loss from about 6 different angles to make sure everyone loses weight on our system, even when other programs have failed. Actually, most of the people that come in for this program have been on 2 or 3 other weight loss programs in the past with little or no success. First of all, our program is guaranteed. Yes, you're guaranteed to lose weight on this program, and I'll briefly go over some of the components. But if you want more information, go to my website at 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤.com and download the free report, or sign up for our next workshop by calling the office and reserving your seat. Okay, so the first component that we deal with is detoxing. You have to get rid of toxins to get rid of fat. Toxins are fat soluble, which means that they actually attach to the fat cells and bind to them, and it makes it nearly impossible to lose weight even if you are dieting and exercising. Another component is making sure that you're ingesting from a clean protein source like shakes and things like that to help build muscle, burn fat, and boost your metabolism. Another component is making sure that you have a good source of trace minerals, that they're in abundant supply in your body, and especially your thyroid and other glands, which in turn will help you sleep better, give you more energy, and of course make you feel better. Another component is making sure that you're taking in a good amino acid complex, again to help the body build lean muscle and burn the unwanted fat, and to get more oxygen to the tissues in your muscle in your body. Another component that we deal with in this weight loss program is a homeopathic blend of herbs that actually block the hunger signals to your brain and curb your appetite, but also help the body burn off excess fat. And then another component is that we balance out your hormones in the body, which of course deals with every single function in your body. So the reason some people can't lose weight, no matter if they exercise right or diet right, is because one or all of these components are not being addressed. So sign up for the free report on 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤.com or call the office to make your appointment and reserve your seat so you can learn a little bit more about this. I'll talk to you soon.